I'm actually traveling to Costa Rica in 2 days. When you'll see this, I think I'll be in Costa Rica if everything went smooth. Today, I am gonna show you what the fuck I'm packing because I am so excited. I'm not gonna take so much stuff and I really don't want to take so much stuff either. My sister has all the clothes because she lives there, so I'm gonna borrow hers. I really want to travel light and... light? What's the weather? I'm drinking mate. Mate, which is so good. It's like herbs from Argentina. Yes. Alright, so you guys, to Costa Rica I just have a hand luggage and an accessory. You know, a trolley. I hate those things. It's so annoying when I see people at the airport with like, you know, the backpacks. I'm always like, oh my god, it's gonna be me. It needs to be me. So you know what I did? I got a backpack. I actually thrifted this backpack. This kind of backpacks are really, really expensive, especially here in Norway. But I got this one for like 400 krones and like 40 euros. And what the fuck? Like, it's amazing. Like, it's a big backpack. It has this thing. I don't know what the fuck it's called. It has like compartment. It's a 40-liter backpack. And I'm super excited to bring it. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, what the heck? Like I said, I thrifted this backpack and I got it from a really cute guy that better take me out for coffee when I'm back. So everything was like super smooth with this backpack. Like, look at it. I was so excited to bring it and all that. But then 2 days later, I checked the requirements for how big the bags should be. And in the end, I can't bring it because it's too big. I need to bring a fucking trolley. Either way, I bought a new backpack. So I bought a little backpack just to feel like I have my amazing big backpack. So yeah. So I'm not an OTD kind of person. I don't know if I'm gonna show you. I can just hold them up, but it's like, it's not that beautiful. Like, it's from H&M. I love H&M. Don't sue me! But it's just like, it's not that cool. My ballet hat is cool. Got it from a thrift store in my hometown for 10 krones. So like I said, my sister has most likely all the clothes. I'm gonna bring some of mine. It's not gonna be a fucking haul. Everybody, it's not a haul channel, okay? Maybe it will become if you subscribe. So I'm bringing a dress, a jumpsuit, this thing, like it's just a t-shirt, like a t-shirt blouse. Another of this thing. This jacket because it reminds me of good days when I was happy. I'm bringing another hat, bought it from Italy. Ooh, I love bucket hats, it's so cool. Yeah, bucket hat, yeah. So this is like a super like dryable towel, like it dries in 5 seconds. Go with comfortable shoes, and I'm not like, I am a stylish person. Yeah, you know, I'm a stylish person. I'm not gonna look at that when I'm in Costa Rica. You know, I just want to be as chill as possible. That is what kind of clothes I'm bringing, I think. This is what I'm bringing in my trolley. But now let's go over to my backpack. So this is my most important bag because I'm gonna bring all my necessary documents to enter every country. It has some compartments. I paid it super cheap because I'm a cheap person. No, but I paid it super cheap because I want to have a budget on this trip. And just remember that I'm gonna be in Costa Rica for 2 months and most likely will buy many things there. Now, going over to a bit serious things, COVID related things. You need some extra documents to travel nowadays with COVID. It's really important for you to educate yourself and to understand what you need so you don't get problems. But of course, traveling isn't that good right now, and I am fully aware of that. It was really important for me to explain that in my previous video. Anyways, I made a really good map here with all the things, all the documents I need. I'm gonna show you a bit what I did with this and what the purpose of it was. So here I wrote all the flights I'm gonna take and what I need on documents. I also draw me in Costa Rica. And I'm gonna roughly take you through the documents you will need to bring. Have in mind that it depends on which country you're gonna travel to. I printed out my ticket, which is important to have when I'm arriving in Costa Rica. I need to show my ticket. so that they know when I'm gonna leave the country as well. It's also important to have a travel insurance. So I got this travel insurance from Sagicor in Costa Rica. This insurance is also for Covid-19. It's important to have the negative Covid-19 test to get in the Netherlands. It must be a PCR test. You know, when they put like their shit in the mouth and you die. I need to register myself for coming back to Norway, and you need to show that you actually live in Norway. These are most of the documents I'm gonna bring. I'm also gonna bring my PC. I actually started a university here in my hometown, and I'm actually going to a Spanish course there. So I need my PC, 1 liter water bottle, because I'm a really water drinker. But the most important thing I'm gonna have in here is also hand sanitizer and face mask. I have also 2 types of face mask. I have a surgical one and I have fabric ones. Another thing that I'm gonna bring is this one. What is it called? I don't know. Bum bag? Yes, it's a bum bag. I'm gonna bring this bum bag with my most important things: my passport, my money, and my phone. I don't wanna lose that. I'm just gonna have it always on me, and it's a pretty practical bag to have. Oh my god, it's broken. No, it's broken! Okay, change of plans. My bum bag is fucked. I'm gonna buy a new bum bag, but I'm gonna bring a bum bag. No! So yeah, that was actually it, roughly. You surely saw that it wasn't so much. I don't want to overpack either. I think this is what I need and my necessities. So you guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun, and I hope you also maybe got something out of this video if you're gonna travel. So the next video I'll see you in is at the airport. I can't actually wait to bring you guys. It's gonna be super fun, and I'm super excited for this adventure. And I'll see you in the next video for more updates. Updates from Fatima. Fatima.